The Sunny and Fun Mega Climb Go Inflatable Water Slide Park is a large outdoor playset measuring 15.9 feet by 13.1 feet by 8.9 feet, providing hours of wet fun with its numerous features. It offers 3 splashing fun features: a climbing wall, 2 water slides, and a splashdown and deep pool, ensuring multiple kids can play and be entertained at the same time. Setting up the Mega Climb Go is quick and effortless, with an included air pump for speedy inflation and an easy-to-store design with a matching carrying case. Constructed from premium, heavy-duty nylon, it can support a maximum weight of 450 pounds and accommodate up to 4 children, thanks to its durable, puncture-resistant synthetic fabric and reinforced stitching. The Mega Climb Go is an excellent addition to your backyard for birthdays, parties, or just everyday summer fun, saving you time and money from trips to the pool or beach. With a review score of 4.3 and 282 reviews, the Mega Climb Go shows it is a reliable and well-loved product, providing outdoor fun for kids and peace of mind for parents.